Welcome to solverfy.
Okay, so why the refrigerant, that is the liquid that is used by refrigerator, should have a lower boiling point? So for the proper functioning of the refrigerator, what we need is that the refrigerant should have the ability to turn into gas easily when it absorbs heat. Okay, now with a refrigerant of higher boiling point, we anyway need to evaporate, right? We need anyway have to change that refrigerant into gas. So how this is done is the compressor will have to create too much of a vacuum for the vaporization, and hence a bigger load on it. Okay, so to reduce this load on compressor, so to reduce the load in compressor, the refrigerant or the refrigerator uses liquid with low boiling point. Alright, so this answers the given question.